We have some breaking news. Marcona Sky 5 HD over Santa Fe Springs, and clearly a danger in pursuit underway. Mark.